What's the Yoruba society's predilection for Ogwike shows is that their spirituality has been polluted by occultism. Ha mara mmụọ fa na-emezi ife otu nzuzo. Ị na-achụ aja, ị na-etinyekwa workings, o wee na-aga not spend your time unproductively, right? You now go and find people's spirits to tie, to now be slaving away for you. Find human parts and use keeping all of your spiritual and obviously physical society in bondage. Because how long do you think before slaves will revolt? How long do you think they will take it before a slave will revolt? Well, that's their business. It's why I understand when Ikolomo said that when you practice spirituality from another people's aspect, when you practice another people's spirituality, another tribe's spirituality, you are sinning against your own people. Igbo ejilo human parts agwọ ọbara. Igbo eji human parts eme. Anybody who tries to tell you otherwise has identity crisis, no matter how respected they are. Person they work them. You get person where they work them, but them never sabi. Say that person they work them. Ndị Igbo, let's resist these influences. Ndị afọ, onye ọbụla na-ekwu ife amalụ. Ndị amalụ ebe mmiri so ebe n'opi ụgbọgụlụ fagai. Jụọ anybody je ani Yoruba je butike. Jụọ afa ka isi n'anya dị fa. Jụọ afa ka isi n'anya dị ezinụlọ fa. Ndị ichie na-agbafa ụta, ndị ichie na-agbafa mgba. Jụọ ese. I offer Igommo consultation. I offer an Igommo consultancy, Dibia consultancy solutions. So if you have any Dibia consultancy questions or whatever way I can be of service, it's our work. Hit me up and keep using Holy Music for your spirituality needs. The song is an elixir. It's a drug for everything. So new music on the way.